Hello everyone, my name is Redo Maya and welcome to This Week in Android Development. This week in Android Developers Live, Roman, Nick and Adam will be hosting the first episode of Android Design in Action live out of our New York and London studios. This week's theme is transit apps, so they'll be taking some of the apps that Ian and I looked at in the App Clinic last Friday and giving them a design makeover. On Wednesday we have 3 Android Developer Office Hours scheduled, starting with our European-friendly broadcast coming out of our London studio at 2 p.m. British Summer Time. A few hours later, at 2 p.m. Pacific Time, join hosts Joe Mallon and Trevor Johns as they answer your Android developer questions live. This week's topic is building Android apps using the web, so make sure you put your questions in the moderator or join us live via Hangout to participate during the broadcast. Then on Thursday, Bruno will be broadcasting live from Sao Paulo for a Portuguese language edition of Android Developer Office Hours. That's at 7 p.m. Sao Paulo time. Ian Lewis and I will be putting stopwatch and timer apps on the table during the App Clinic on Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Our goal is to help developers learn the tips and tricks that it takes to make a good app and make it great. So be sure to use the moderator page linked here to nominate the stopwatch and timer apps you would like us to take a look at. Straight after the App Clinic, join Dan Galpin and this week's Celebrity Headwear for another episode of the Friday Games Review. That's at 2 p.m. Pacific time. Dan's decided to go freestyle this week, so there's no set theme. Just use the moderator page and let us know which games you'd like Dan and his hat to review this week. As always, you can keep track of what we've got coming up on Android Developers Live at developers.google.com/live/Android. And that's got a complete schedule of all of our upcoming broadcasts as well as links to all of our previous shows. Speaking of which, in addition to our regular office hours last week, Ian and I looked at transit apps, particularly Offie, M-Parking, Quick Muni, London Underground, STM and the UK Bus Checker. And on the Friday Games Review, Dan and Co reviewed collectible card games. Both of these videos are now available for you to review on YouTube. In other Android developer news last week, we learned that we now have over 480 million Android devices activated, with another 1.3 million devices being activated every day. As always, there were many apps launched last week, and some upgrades, including an update from Q&A app Quora, the official US Open app, Quotes, a new app for tracking your investments, and a new update from note-taking app Catch. That's all from This Week in Android Development. My name is Redo Maya. Thank you for watching.